They're shy. Hey, Mama. It's alright. Need some food? I give you some food too. Hey, good girl. Hold on. Hey, Mummy. Two babies. The baby's down there somewhere. Hey. Morning. Morning, Mama. Morning, peace, love, and happiness. Morning, Shy. It's cold and wet today, isn't it? Hey? You guys alright? Hey, Shy Shy. Hey, peace, love, and happiness. I know, Shy. Kids are well annoying, aren't they? You're now learning that, right? Hey, Shy. You're now learning that kids are really annoying. They're the best thing ever. But they are annoying. Beautiful, cute, adorable, but annoying. Aww. So cute. So cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Hey, little guys. Hey, little guys. Aww. Good girl. Good mummy. What a good mummy you are, Shy. Aww. Lots of mummy kisses for you. Good girl. What a good mama. You come and get your food now, okay? You need it to look after those three little buggers. Good mummy. Bye, guys. From one extreme to another. There's Gia. From teeny tiny kittens to giant massive dog. The most beautiful dog in the whole wide world. Hey, gorgeous. Yes, you are. You are beautiful. Yeah, you are. Good girl.